This is not a new part of the Essay Unity series. It's really just a review and epilogue to what you learned so that you have all the skills together in one place that's easy to find and listen to. So this is what you learned in this series. Unity throughout the essay is essential for persuasiveness, and there are ways to achieve it. It just requires simplifying so that you can see what matches and what doesn't. So a research argument must focus on one goal. It's to prove the thesis. To prove the thesis, pardon the typo, the thesis, topic, sentences, and evidence must need to be unified. Pardon the major typos in that. Writing an outline can help highlight and revise the argument for greater unity. And to unify the thesis and topic sentences, you want a base of classification that can help you find the common category to organize the topic sentences in the essay. And then for evidence unity, outlines can help you determine if the topic and point of view of the topic is unified with the evidence selection. And then from there, if you make a unified outline that includes a thesis, topic, sentences, and evidence, you are well on your way to creating a unified essay overall. And there is another typo. Pardon all the typos on this. Thank goodness this isn't about proofreading. But anyway, that's it. So this is how you make the outline, and I hope this was helpful. All right, that's all.